If you have a loved one that's locked up by ICE, they do not want you to know this one trick. I'm attorney Joe Williams, and I help clients get out of ICE detention. And what I'm referring to is something called a habeas corpus petition, okay? I've heard some of my clients refer to it as a federal bond. It's not really the same thing. Let me explain. A habeas corpus writ, a writ of habeas corpus, is a right to be heard on an issue by a federal court judge, especially in regards to being a prisoner, okay? So if you are in removal proceedings, you're technically not a prisoner, right? And you're technically not a criminal because it's a civil proceeding, right? And that's, in broad strokes, sort of what's going on, right? So you don't have the same rights to due process that you would if you were in criminal court. One of those rights would be to be released on bond. So what I've been doing for my clients, what a lot of attorneys have been doing, is we've been going not to immigration court to get help. We've been going to federal court, which is the real court. So we go there and we tell the federal court judge, hey, this is wrong, what's happening to our clients. They're being treated like prisoners, but then they're being told, oh, well, you're not entitled to the same rights that you would be if you were being charged with a crime. So we go to the federal court judge. They say, you're right. They tell ICE and the Department of Homeland Security that they have 5 days to give your client either a bond hearing, or if they're not given a bond hearing within 5 days, they must be released without even paying a bond. So it's a great process. And in fact, I like it because of what I just said. On occasion, if you get lucky, your clients just get released. My clients just get released without having to pay a bond. Otherwise, we're grateful for the opportunity to at least be heard on bond, but oftentimes judges will set bonds relatively high, $10,000, $15,000. At the end of the day, you still get out, but you're better off just trying to get hopefully just released on parole. So that's my legal mumbo jumbo today. The reason I bring it up is we actually just had a few clients win our habeas corpus petitions. So we're fighting the good fight. We'll see you soon.